Day. My name is Bhagishri Kesarwani and today we are going to discuss importance of World Tiger Day 29 July 2020. What is the objective of World Tiger Day? Why we celebrate World Tiger Day? World Tiger Day, also known as International or Global Tiger Day. It is celebrated every year on 29 July. The main objective of celebrating this day to raise awareness for tiger conservation. It is very important to conserve tiger because tiger is our national animal and also they are decreasing all over the world day by day. The goal of the day is to promote a global system for protecting the natural habitat of tiger and to raise public awareness and support for tiger conservation issue. The day is especially focused on conservation of tiger. How we protect tiger, how we conserve, and for protecting tiger we have to aware the public. We have to aware the people the importance of tiger. This is the main objective for celebrating this World Tiger Day. India population of tiger. Tiger population in India. How much tiger is present in India? India count a number of wild tiger every 4 years and show a promising rise from 1411 in 2006 to 2226 in 2014. The trend for rising population of tiger in India is as follows. In the year 2006, it is 1411. It rise in 2010, 1706. In 2014, number of tiger rises 2226. And in the year 2019, the number of tiger is 2967. International Tiger Day 2020, tiger are considered as an umbrella species. Why umbrella species? Because umbrella protect us from rain. Like this, they denote a tiger as a symbol of umbrella. Because if we protect the tiger, many other species or animal protect and survive in the environment. If we save tiger, we save many other organism or animals. That's why it is known as umbrella species, as their conservation save many other animals species. India has doubled its tiger population ahead of target year of 2022. India set the target goal for increasing the tiger population in double by 2022. India is the habitat of 75% of total tiger on the earth. Present time, the number of tiger in the whole world is only 4,000. Out of 4,000, 2,967 present in India. It means it covers 75% of population of tiger in India. That's why it is very important to promote the conservation and protect the tiger in India. Importance of World Tiger Day. IUCN listed tiger and endangered species. Tiger have lost 90% of their natural habitat and their world tiger population is less than 4,000. All over the world only 4,000 tiger is left and natural habitat is lost 90%. That's why we are celebrating International Tiger Day to aware the people how tiger is important and how we conserve the tiger. After that, first time it observed in November 2010 at the St. Petersburg Tiger Summit. Because the number of tiger is decreased day by day, they have decided to make one summit for protection of tiger. The summit was held in Russia and the name of summit is St. Petersburg Tiger. What is the aim? Promote a global system for protecting the natural habitat of the big cats and to raise public awareness and support for tiger. all over the world. There are currently 13 countries participated in SMIT. They are India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Cambodia, China, Indonesia, Loa PDR, Malaysia, Myanmar, Nepal, Thailand, Vietnam, and the summit host Russia. The summit decided on the goal to increase the population of wild tiger to over 6,000 by 2022. After held the summit, they have decided we have increased the number of population from 4,000 to 6,000 by 2022, the next Chinese year of the tiger. I already told you it is also known as umbrella species because if we protect tiger, we can protect many other animals. Tiger sites at the peak of the food chain and the increased numbers of testimony of the robust biodiversity. Environmental Minister Mr. Prakash Javadekar posted one post today. In that post, Project Tiger was launched in 1973 with just 9 tiger reservoirs. Today, India has 50 reserves with 2,967 tigers. In this tweet, they show the success of Project Tiger from 9 Project Tiger to 50 reservoirs, and they increase the tiger population by 2,967. Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand is the largest habitat of the big cat in India. The park was come to first to under Project Tiger initiative. It started from 137 tiger in 2006 to 215 in 2014. Presently, number of tiger rises with 231. The current in Dudhwa Tiger Reserve has also went up from 58 to 82. Philibit Reservoir population is also up by 2 to 57. Sohagi Bharwa Wildlife Sanctuaries, which used to be not non-tiger zone in Uttar Pradesh, now have 1 tiger. This is very important fact for World Tiger Day. There are many questions arrived from this slide, particular this slide. What is the name of SMIT, where the SMIT is held, what is the objective and what is the aim, and what the SMIT is decided to be in 2022, and other many things. How to protect tiger? What is the motive to protect tiger? I already told you tiger is an umbrella species. It decreasing day by day. India has the 75% of world population of tiger. It means all over the world 4,000 tiger is present. Out of that 2,967 tiger is present in India. So it's our duty to protect the tiger species for increasing and protecting their natural habitat. If you are interested in International Tiger Day, first step is to educate yourself about factors like illegal wildlife trade, human wildlife conflict and habitat loss which impact tiger population. Please stop hunting and poaching of tigers. Please stop illegal processes of tiger skin and other things. The idea behind International Tiger Day has always been to spread awareness, making more and more people understand why tigers are important and what is the threat to their survival. On International Tiger Day, let us take a pledge to raise awareness for conservation of our national animal. Tiger is national animal of India. We have to protect, we have to go from 75% to 100% in India. So that's all about World Tiger Day. I hope you understand what I am trying to explain, and the facts and figure are very important, which are come in many competitive exam. If you understand what is World Tiger Day, so please like, subscribe and share my channel Guard Environment by Learning. Thank you for watching this video.